NVIDIA has joined forces with the biggest tech companies to form the Open Secure AI Alliance to improve cybersecurity. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The companies, which include Microsoft, SpaceX, Dell, the Linux Foundation, and NVIDIA itself, say that to defend against attacks in the age of AI models, like Anthropic's Mythos 5, security researchers need access to both open and closed frontier models. NVIDIA gave an example of OpenAI's recent rogue attack on Hugging Face. Hugging Face first tried to use closed commercial frontier models to find and repel the hack, but its requests triggered safety guardrails and were refused. It then switched to open source models and managed to stop the attack. Each company is contributing different elements to the alliance. NVIDIA said it'll offer open models, model weights, data, and new agent harnesses to speed the development of new cybersecurity tools and techniques. HPE will chip in with standards and methods that can cryptographically verify AI agents and services, while Hugging Face will contribute a safe format to store AI model weights called Safe Tensors. Microsoft, SpaceX AI, IBM, and Red Hat are also offering open source AI tech. The group calls on governments to work with companies on shared open AI infrastructure investments. And they said that regulators should see open models as defensive assets, not liabilities, and the restrictions on open frontier AI systems weaken defensive capacity and concentrate power to few closed providers. Currently, the Trump administration is considering to ban Chinese open source AI models, which are gaining popularity against closed models from OpenAI and Anthropic, as they're cheaper to use. These two companies, along with Meta and Google, are noticeably absent from the new alliance. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.